How to start a KFC pickup order on KFC website. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a very simple step-by-step guide to start up a pickup order on KFC website. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can go to kfc.com usually. Otherwise, make sure you are on the correct country version if needed. Usually it's a country-based KFC website, so we can open it up. And once we open it up, we can start up our order. So we can select up our menu. We can explore our menu and go ahead and add specific products to our cart. So you can look out for the cart option here and add it. Once it is done, you can look out for the cart option in the top right corner and click on it and view your cart. And while you're trying to check out, it's very easy. You just need to choose up a store nearby. A list of nearby KFC outlets will appear. You can select the one that you want to pick up on. Once it is done, you can select the option of picking up, self-pickup. So go ahead and select that self-pickup option. You can select it from the map itself and go ahead and apply it up. After that, you can select this option here in the top left. Also, we can find it. We can select this option called self-pickup and how we would like to receive our order. After that, you can confirm it up and you may be asked for pickup time, ASAP, or schedule. You can explore the menu and customize the items if needed and even add it to cart. After that, you can check out your items, quantities, and total price and make any changes if needed. And make sure you're logged in into your account, or you can even proceed as a guest if available, and you can choose up a payment method. And some locations even may allow to pay at store, and you can confirm everything and place your order, and you will be getting a confirmation and a pickup instructions that you can follow. And that's it. Once your order has been confirmed, you can head over to the store at your chosen time and show your order confirmation number, and you can arrive on time so that your food is very fresh, because some stores have separate pickup counter. You can go over there and also pick it up. And that's everybody. For now, you can head over and follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.